In today's video, I will walk you through how to set account self-destruction on Telegram. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. Telegram includes a feature that automatically deletes your account if it remains inactive for a certain period of time. This can be useful if you stop using Telegram and want your account and its data to be removed automatically instead of remaining active indefinitely. You can adjust this setting at any time from the privacy and security options. To begin, open the Settings menu in Telegram. From there, tap on Privacy and Security to access the settings related to your account and personal information. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Delete My Account if away for, and tap on it. Telegram will display a list of inactivity periods that you can choose from. These options typically include several different timeframes, such as 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, or a longer period. Select the amount of time that best matches your preference. The timer only counts periods when you haven't logged into your Telegram account on any device. As long as you continue using Telegram before the selected time expires, the inactivity timer resets automatically. Once you've selected your preferred time frame, tap the Save button, and Telegram saves the change immediately. To verify that your new setting has been applied, reopen the Delete My Account if away for option. The time frame you selected should now be displayed as the current setting. Keep in mind that this feature is based on account inactivity. It does not schedule your account for deletion on a specific date. Instead, Telegram only deletes the account if you don't sign in or use it for the entire period you've selected. If your account is automatically deleted due to inactivity, your messages, contacts, groups, and other account data associated with that account will be removed according to Telegram's account deletion process. And that's how to set account self-destruction on Telegram. It's a simple privacy feature that gives you more control over what happens to your account if it goes unused for an extended period.